aspirants, today we are going to discuss tips to ace STAT, which is thematic perception test. And the tip number 1 is that you need to frame realistic stories. So what do we mean by realistic stories? Just observe the picture right in front of your screen, and from here a realistic approach would be to observe and guess the right age of the character shown, and thereafter aligning the most probable relationship between them. So as per the information given and the predictions that one could make, the right age of these two people is somewhere between 17 to 25, and the relationships that could exist is of husband-wife, brother-sister, or friends. But the wrong observation would be to make the relationship of mother and son. The girl looks at the same age of the man in the picture, and she is holding some sort of resemblance with the boy also. So she can be the sister, or you may predict as husband or wife or brother and sister. But predicting the age of the girl as mother would be wrong. So the tip number 2 is that you need to be rational in approach. The dictionary meaning or the internet meaning of rational says that based on or in accordance with reason or logic. Observe the picture shown right now. What do you see? Well, if you will observe closely, you will see the baby looks a bit different. His legs are crippled. His face resembles age. Quantity of hairs are less. And there is a probable inference that baby's mother is crying due to his deformity. So, you have provided reason behind your inferences and conclusion. The tip number 3 is that take decisions as you being the main character of the story. What are the benefits of doing so? Your main character is your reflection. It will be easier to set your plan of action being the doer. Since you will be the main character, decision making will be only yours, and it will show how you are as a person. See the story or the picture right now in the screen. What do you see? Two boys being caught by the gardener, most probably because the walls are broken, and these boys would have tried to enter the premises. Now, being the main character, you may decide how you want to punish these boys: by scolding them, by complaining to their parents, or by making them understand their mistake, or by asking them to make promise never to repeat. Since you are the main character, and the main character here is the gardener, who will be the decision maker. Now we are heading towards the tip number 4, and which I believe is the most important tip to remember for any aspiring candidate, which is remember the information provided by you in the PIQ form. Your stories should be in sync with it. If you have described yourself as a sports person in PIQ, then you should reflect the same in your stories as well. Your PIQ form is actually your biodata. It tells each and every precise details about you as a person to the accessor, and based on the information that you have provided, they are going to analyze you. If you are going to give any fake identity about yourself, it will be caught, so please refrain from doing such mistakes. It's time to discuss tip number 5, which again holds the same importance as tip number 4. You need to be honest, although try not to reflect your shortcomings, but also don't go far away from reality and towards idealism. You need not to make yourself very ideal person if you are not that. Just be honest, be yourself. So it is very important that keep in mind, do not become a hero all of a sudden. Do not try handling all the situations on your own. Do not show your expertise in all subjects and area. Let me explain these points to you. One cannot do everything on his or her own. You need to utilize the resources near you. You cannot become expert of everything. You cannot become doctor all of a sudden. You cannot start skydiving all of a sudden. Just in order to help someone, you're not going to become a racer, right? So you need to understand that whatever your potentials are and whatever the boundary and limit of that potential is, you are going to be the person of the same limits. One cannot become hero. One cannot become a superman doing some sort of thing in order to help people around him, right? These things happen only in movies, so let them be in movies only. If you are going to become an officer, you have to accept and adopt the right strategy the workable strategy and the practical strategy. You need not to act like the Shaktiman or for that matter the Avengers. So I hope that these points will help you out in that. And yes, do not forget to subscribe, like and share our channel. We are going to present more and more unique and important content for you. So please keep watching, and the nation needs you.